Hi, greetings from all of us here at Bornemann. I hope you're doing well. I hope the weather is just as nice as it is here in Germany. And of course, I hope that your business is booming. Today, I'm contacting you about something quite unusual. In the recent years, here at Bornemann, we've not been lazy. On the contrary, we've invested a lot of blood, sweat and tears and money into our new automation, which you see in the background. You don't see everything, but let me just elaborate on what it really is. We managed to interconnect several machines and automate the production process of lead screws to a very high degree. Here you see in the background a portal robot, which actually does all the handling, all the manual work of handling the raw material and handling the finished products between the machines, and all this is fully automated. But that's not all. We've also integrated a new whirling machine. Whirling is the process of actually making the thread, and we designed, constructed and manufactured our own whirling machine. And the new whirling machine is equipped with sensors that allows us to actually monitor the surface and the pitch accuracy and correct it while manufacturing the screws. So there's an in-process quality control that allows us to produce screws with a surface quality and pitch accuracy that the world has not seen before. I would very much like to show you that in some more detail, so let me know if you have time for a Zoom call, a Teams meeting or a personal meeting, and then I can tell you a little bit more about our automated production process and how that can be of value to you and your business. But I still have more news for you. In the last 2.5 years, we've also been conducting a research project with the IFW, which is the Department of Machining and Tooling of the Leibniz University in Hanover. And we've conducted a research project with the title, I have to read it because it's in English, it's quite a long title, Tribologically Optimized Surface Topographies for Increasing the Service Life of Screw Drives Using the Whirling Process. And we had some amazing findings in this project. And we have the final report here, and I would like to share that with you in some more detail. So we always knew that the whirling method had a lot of advantages over other screw manufacturing methods like rolling or cutting. But we now actually, we dived further into this subject and we tried to analyze how the ideal whirling surface has to look like in order to increase the lifetime of the screws. And we could actually, by slightly changing our machining parameters and creating a very defined whirling surface, we could reduce the friction value another 30%. So to the already good friction values of the whirl screws, we could even further reduce this by 30%. This is really quite revolutionary, and I really would like to share these findings with you or with your development department in some more detail, because it directly helps you to increase the lifetime of your products and bring some real value to you. So I look really forward to hear from you and to personally speak to you, and well, see you soon. Bye bye.